A made in India budget action camera. Is it really worth the price? Let's find out. Hello YouTube, I am Adi here and today I have this 4K sports action camera called as Cason C6. Is it worth the price? Let's check it out. Let's do the unboxing and also I'll give you a complete review about this. So please do watch till the end. This is how the box looks. It has all the information regarding the camera over here: 170-degree wide angle, 24MP camera, dual screen, memory card supported, and all the other information like the sensor present, the video resolution, photo resolution, lens, touch, EIS, etc. So all the details are given and whatever present in the box is also given over here. So this is how the box looks and this is the app that will support this particular camera. Right in front you can see the camera over here, and let's see what else is there in the box. So okay, I think a message over here, and this is how to set up and setup guides, etc. So let's check it out later. I think there's one more setup guide, okay, or a detail about the products, etc. So let's see that later as well. And there's a user manual. Apart from that, what else is there? Let's see. Let's keep all this aside, and so let's see what all there in this. So a remote, then comes a helmet clip, a 3.5mm adapter jack, convertible jack, again one more J-type helmet holder, clip again. So there are so many multifunctional clips over here which can be attached to cycle or your bike or anywhere else. So one more over there. After this, the small clip over here. Again, one more multifunctional clip. A band to wear the remote. The casing for the camera. And oh my god, there's so many else. This is the dock, so you can charge 2 batteries simultaneously. This is the casing, outer casing. There's one more helmet holder over here. And wow, there's also a mini tripod. One more helmet holder. Finally, a battery. This is the extra battery. Wow. So many accessories they are given. So let me check what all are there in this. Okay, so there's mic, and there's a charging cable, micro USB cable. Wow. One more holder over here. This is for the cycle handlebar grip, where you can mount the action camera. More number of bands and some adhesive stickers, tags, and the cloth. So more number of accessories added to the list. That's a very good thing to be there in the box. This is how the camera is packed in. Okay, it's already attached to a holder. Let me just remove it. Okay, you can remove it like this, and you can remove the outer casing as well. Okay, so finally here is the camera. So these are the accessories given. Wow, pretty big list actually, but good thing that the company is giving everything. So no need of purchasing extra accessories for your vlogging or any other stuff. The company is providing everything as a package. This is how the camera looks. This is the back side of this. It has a big screen over here, and there is a on-off button and a OK button over there. And here at the right side there is a mode and down button with a speaker. At the bottom we can see a screw holder. We can directly mount it to the helmet. And let me just open this. So here we have the battery over here. Yes, it comes with additional battery in the box also. So let me just put it back in, and okay, just put it in. And at this side over here, it has a micro SD card slot over here, and HDMI output port, and also micro USB charging slot over there. This action camera comes with two displays, one in the front and one in the back. The back one is a touchscreen display, whereas the front one is a normal display. You don't get a touchscreen over here, but this just boots in within few seconds, as you can see. Let me just peel off the cover over here. This is currently in the video mode, and these are the settings for the video mode. The video resolution, you can set it at 4K 2.7 or 1080. Image stabilization, you can turn it off and on. Voice record. Wind noise reduction, this is one of the main feature that they have given. It's very good. EV, exposures, etc. There are additional settings in video mode as well. Just press the M button and you can see there is a normal, loop record, time lapse, slow motion and fast motion. We can go to photo mode by just clicking on the down button over here. You can see it goes to the photo mode, and in the photo settings you can see the photo resolution, whichever you want, image quality, high, low, middle, ISO setting, which is in auto currently, and other normal settings like EV, metering, date stamp, etc. You also get additional settings in photo mode if you press the M button over here. So these are the additional settings like burst, time lapse, self time, long exposure, Wi-Fi. There are other settings also in this camera. We can go to the setting option over here. You can select the beep sound, boot up, beep, etc. And coming to the angle, it's wide angle, medium, narrow, whichever you want can select it. Coming to this mode, this is a diving mode. If you want to take it underwater, then you have to use the case. With this case, you can turn it on and you can go underwater. These are the effects: normal, black and white, natural. There's also driving mode. You can use this camera as an dash cam for your car as well. Microphone, this is a very good feature. If you are connecting it with an external mic, then you can select this external mic and it gets selected and you can use the external mic. Or else if you're using the camera's built-in mic, just select the built-in mic over here. There are other modes like upside down, screensavers, power frequency, white balance, daytime. We can switch to the front display by just holding the M button for few seconds and it will go to the front display. However, this is not a touch display, so you can just see it over here. Here are some of the photo samples that were taken during both day and night. Here are some of the video samples that were taken. I'm recording at 4K 30 FPS in the CS6 action camera, and now the settings are that it has the image stabilization on, that is the EIS is turned on, and also wind noise reduction is also turned on. So those are the main things that has to be on to see how it works. Current setting is now at 2.7K 30 FPS. EIS on, wind noise reduction is on, and it is connected to the external mic. This is 1080p at 60 FPS. EIS is on, wind noise reduction is on. The settings is at 1080p 30 FPS. EIS on, and wind noise reduction is also on. So this is with my external mic that has fitted with this camera. Currently I'm recording at 4K 30 FPS, but this time I turned off the EIS. Image stabilization is off and the wind noise reduction is also off. Let's see how this one records, and my external mic is still connected with this. I'm using the company provided mic, which is there in the box itself. So the recording is at 4K 30 FPS. Wind noise reduction is on and EIS is also turned on. Currently I'm not using any mic. I'm recording this with a built-in mic of the camera. I'm not using any external mic. So there's also settings that has been given in this camera. You can change the options from external mic to built-in mic also. There are two settings. So currently I connected my Boya mic to this using the adapter which was given in the box, and this is running at 4K 30 fps, EIS on, and noise reduction is also turned on. So I'll go to the main road and let's see how this performs. I thought of connecting the mic which had been given by the company, but they had also mentioned that that is not suitable for motovlogging. To turn on the Wi-Fi for this, hold the lower button for a few seconds and you can see the Wi-Fi turns on. Once the Wi-Fi is on, you can see in your mobile, you can get the name like this, the actioncam 81052C. Just click on this, it will ask a password. The password is also mentioned over here. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. Connect. And this will connect to the Wi-Fi of the mobile. So it is successfully connected. So it uses the app called as iSmart DV. As you can see, when I open it, this is the camera. This camera supports up to 128 GB of storage, and this is the Sandisk Extreme micro SD card which I brought for this, and it supports it very well. I will provide the link in the description below, so you can go ahead and buy this one. It supports 4K video formats also. So as you saw in the samples, the photo and the videos in the night were okay. It is not bad, but it is comparatively okay. So a little bit of grains here and there, but it has captured good. And coming to daylight, I found it's very good. It has captured all the details correctly, especially at 4K 30 fps and 2.7K also. The video has come out very good, as you saw in the samples. The audio output was also very good, but however I did not use the mic that was given by the company. I had the Boya mic with me, so I had used that with an adapter. So the output was pretty good when I used with that mic. Second positive thing is the EIS and the wind noise reduction. Even that is also good. With both turned on, you can use it for motovlogging easily, and there's not much of issue with that as well. Other good thing of this camera is the remote watch that they have given in the box. It works very well. It's very useful during motovlogging times. As if I click over here, it starts recording the video, and if I click over it again, it stops. And you can click on this for any kind of snaps to be taken in the photo mode. You can see it just took a photo. The battery backup on this is also good, so it can record the 4K video up to 45 minutes to 1 hour. The company has also provided a charging dock for here, which can hold up to 2 batteries. The 2 batteries are also present inside the box. So the next thing what I liked about this camera is the list or the number of accessories they are giving for you. No need of buying extra accessories. Everything is provided in this, so you can use it easily. Nothing is perfect in the world, so this also has some of the issues that come along with this. The major issue which I found in this camera is the transfer of the data. When I try to connect this through Wi-Fi to this mobile, it sometimes hangs up on the camera, or it's also very slow to show in the mobile as well. As you can see, still not yet shown in the mobile. This app has lot of bugs and it's really irritating. It's sometimes pretty much slow, it sometimes hangs over this. Once you're connected to Wi-Fi for some time itself, the display area gets heated pretty much. So the customer service or the support is very slow. You have to contact only through WhatsApp for them. All I can say is this product is value for money. For the price point of 10,000, you're getting good features, good battery backup, etc. The link to buy this product is in the description box below. Please use the link to buy this product. I hope you guys like the video. Please do share, like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.